Magic control, this is a great invention. A revolutionary control with high technology and a lot of advantage.
For example, if you have a garden, you need to press the button number 1 because with this revolutionary control, the plants and flowers will be the most beautiful.
If you put 2, the second button, you can choose the clothes you're going to wear.
If you need to wash your car, you have to press the button number 3 because with high tech, your car shows like a new one.
If you put 4, you can choose the dinner for these days.
If you have a pet, you press the button number 5 and the magic remote control takes care of your pet.
With this button, you select the clothes for your children.
If you work a lot, the magic remote control goes to the supermarket when you press the button number 8.
If you select the button number 6, you can select the option to wash the dishes.
If you feel discomfort when you vote your garbage, you have pressed the button number 9 and this control makes this labor for you.